Hi everyone, welcome to OC Public Libraries 2021 NEA Big Read. My name is Nilo from OC Public Libraries, and today I will teach you how to make your first video game using Scratch. There are two types of coding, text-based and block-based languages. Scratch is a block-based language. Let's start by Googling Scratch. Scratch was created by people at MIT, and that's why here at the very top you can see mit.edu. However, it's an open source, so you are welcome to create your free account by creating a new username and password. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. So when you log in, this is how your page looks like. At the very top, you can see your profile here. If you have any mail or anything from your friends who also have an Scratch account, it will show up here, and you can explore different games and ideas. Here is where you create your new game. So we are going to click on create, and this will be our page here if you want to create a very brand new game. This is our stage area. This is where we put our game's backdrop. This little creatures are sprites. Sprites are images used in computer games. We can delete it and choose a new one from the pool of sprites, or we can add to this one. This is our sprite pane. If you have more than one sprite, they will all show up here. On your left, we have our coding blocks. Each category is color coded. If you click on each categories, you see different coding blocks. This area is our script area where we drag our coding blocks to. On the top right, we have the green flag to start the project and red hexagon to stop the project. Let's create our first game together. First, delete the cat and choose butterfly 1 from the pool of sprites. Then we choose our backdrop, which is going to be flowers to go with our theme. Under events, drag when green flag click. This is for when you click green flag on top right side, your program runs. Under looks, drag say hello for 2 seconds. Under control, drag forever block. Forever blocks help with looping, meaning your sprite keeps going until certain commands interrupt the behavior. Now let's pick up our butterfly's motion and behavior. Under looks, drag switch custom 2 and change butterfly 1C to butterfly 1A. Under motion, drag the block glide 1 second to random positions. Under control, drag if, then. Under sensing, drag the block touching color question mark. On top left side, click on the costumes tab with paintbrush. Then click on backdrop under the stage. Use drawing tools to draw filled circles on top or middle of your flowers. You can change the color purple to something else, whatever you prefer, using fill. I'm gonna go ahead and choose yellow. And you also can change the size of your circle. You can make it smaller or bigger, depends on what you prefer. And if you didn't like the shape of your circle, you can use the undo button at the very top and undo your circle. Now go back to code tab. You don't see your coding blocks because backdrop has been selected. We didn't write any codes for it. Select butterfly 1 and your codes will appear. Now going back to our sensing block, click on color purple and you will see a dropper. Click on the dropper and have your mouse point toward the yellow circles on the flower, and it will automatically choose the yellow color for your sensing block. Now go to your code categories and click on looks. Drag switch costume to butterfly 1C. Then same category, choose say hello for 2 seconds. I would like to change hello to something more fun, for instance, food. And now we are done with our very first game. Let's make the screen bigger by click on max icon on top right side. Then click on green flag to run your program, and if you want to stop your game, you can click on red hexagon. On top right, you can see minimize icon on your screen, and you can go back to your codes. OC Public Libraries have a great collection of coding books for kids and adults. You can check them out at your local libraries to practice more and create different games. We also have a great ebook coding collections that you can access through Overdrive or Libby app. Next month, we are going to create a slightly more complicated game. Stay tuned.